Teachers and my worthy fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Maryam Kamran from Faith House, standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic patriotism. Pakistan, a nation bold and right, with people strong and full of might. Through trials and struggles we unite and rise above every fight. First of all, we need to understand that what patriotism is. Does it mean just saluting our flag on 14 August? No, friends. Patriotism needs to keep the country foremost in our thoughts and actions. वफादारी वतन से हो यही कुरान कहता है. वफादारी वतन से हो यही कुरान कहता है. हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में पाकिस्तान रखते हैं. Dear all, as a citizen of Pakistan, we have some rules to follow, shaping the future of our nation. For example, respect our environment, educate and empower, respect and obey the rules and regulations, and be kind to others. 100 बार जिंदगी मिले तो इस पे वार दूं. 100 बार जिंदगी मिले तो इस पे वार दूं. उल्फत है इस कदर मुझे अपने वतन के साथ. Today, when I speak about patriotism, my heart and mind recalls great patriots like Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, Fatima Jinnah, Abdul Sattar Idri, and many more. तेरा हर एक जर्रा हमको अपनी जान से प्यारा. तेरा हर एक जर्रा हमको अपनी जान से प्यारा. तेरे दम से शान हमारी, तुझसे नाम हमारा. Let's shed the light on the importance of patriotism. That why is it important? It is important because it gives us a sense of identity and unity. It reminds us that we are part of a larger community working together towards a common goal. And it inspires us to make sacrifices for our country and strive for excellence. Respected audience, I want to end my speech with this note that as a citizen of Pakistan, let's unite and work together to build a brighter future. Let's show our love and pride for our country through our actions. Let's make Pakistan a country we are proud to call home, because our country is greater than heaven. So always take good care of it. My country, my land, my home, so dear, where freedom's flame forever shines clear. I'll stand for you. So think and think. My